I wanted to read you guys a book today about listening. So listening is very important, especially when we're reading a book. So the book is called Don't Push the Button. All right, we ready to listen, guys? All right. Hi, my name is Larry. Hi, Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Well, rules are really important, and we don't want to be breaking any rules. So we're not going to push that button. It does look pretty good, though. What do you think? Seriously, don't even think about it. Oh, that's very tempting. Oh, who wants to push that button? I do. All right, but we can't do it. That was a rule. We can't do it. All right. It does look pretty nice, though. Maybe you should give the button one little push? No, it was a rule. We can't do it. Who thinks we should do it? Who thinks no? Oh, what am I to do? What am I to do? I'm going to push it. I'm going to push it. Ooh. See what happens. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. All right. Oh, I'm so sorry, Larry. I didn't want to make you yellow. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dots. Push it twice. All right, y'all help me push it twice. 1, 2. Oh no. What's going to happen now? Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. All right, y'all help me push it a bunch of times. All right, I think that's enough. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Y'all see what happened when we pushed it a bunch of times? We got a bunch of Larrys. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. All right, shake it with me, guys. Shake, 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 shake. All right, I feel like we did good. Almost. A little more. Shake it again. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. So let's find Larry's tummy. Do you think it's right here? All right, y'all help me tickle. Help me tickle. I'm sorry, we're not tickling him. We're scratching him. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. I'm glad everything's back to normal. I will not be pushing that button again. And you won't be either. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes? What do you think, guys? Should we do it? Should we push it again a couple more times? That's up to you. If you want to check out the book and push it again. So, but here's the book. Don't push the button. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did. Bye, guys.